is Christina from Femme Reign Art, and I hope you enjoy this fine art time-lapse of a painting that I recently did entitled Femme Reign. I decided to make the background this series of vertical lines, and it reminded me of rainfall. Then I kind of had this image of this girl as I'm painting her. She is very beautiful and confident in her beauty. Her pose leaves a little bit to the imagination, and I think that adds a bit to the mystique. So that kind of goes into why I decided to call it Femme Reign. Sort of a play on words, because in this sense, it is not about the rainfall. It's spelled rain as in a queen will reign. This is a different style of painting for me. I am not usually as abstract in my art as this painting ends up being. You can see the original and other pieces of art in my gallery at FemmeReignArt.com.